Today, let's watch Pyyan build an iPhone app. Fancy starting with a simple Hello World app. First up, Pyyan whips up the Swift file needed. And would you believe it? It can even run an iPhone simulator and plunk the app right in there. Yep, there's your straightforward Hello World app. Next, I fancy a splash screen. How about a dashing red with Pyyan splashed across? Right, let's rebuild and give it another whirl. Blimey, that was quick. Now, let's put together a basic mobile number and OTP login page. Pyyan quickly writes more code, and then Pyyan automatically sets up the simulator, and there you go, there's the mobile login screen. We haven't set up any action for the login button yet. Time to jazz things up with a to-do list and throw in a few sample tasks for good measure. Great, here's a simple to-do list. I experimented with different tasks, and now, let's try to add a YouTube video in the app. I didn't provide a URL. Now, let's use a working YouTube link and see. Let's ask Pyyan to reboot the simulator and run the app. Great, it works perfectly.
So I wouldn't be surprised if we had AGI-like systems within the next decade.
For the final task, I will add 3 different YouTube videos that you can swipe up to see the next one. Interesting, now we have 3 videos. Let's swipe and play one. Cool, that's great. Like this, step by step, we can put together a complete iPhone app with simple prompts. Thanks to AI and large language models. And thank you for watching.